So, you're ready to close your Shutterstock Contributor account. This involves three key steps: deleting your content, processing your final payout, and deactivating the account. First, remove all your images, videos, and vectors via the Manage Content section in your dashboard, where bulk deletion is possible. Remember that once deleted, content cannot be restored. Next, ensure you've met the minimum payout threshold, e.g., $10 USD, and initiate a final payout, keeping in mind potential fees like PayPal or wire transfer costs. International contributors should be aware of currency conversion and potential tax withholding, like the 30% US withholding for non-residents. Finally, submit a closure request via Shutterstock support form or email support@shutterstock.com stating your reason for leaving. Be aware that account deactivation is permanent and irreversible. Shutterstock may review your account for violations before closure. Your data will be deleted after 90 days, according to their 2025 policy. Before you finalize your decision, there are a few crucial things to consider. Remember that closing your account does not terminate existing licenses. Clients can still use content they've already purchased. Keep thorough records of your earnings and content IDs for tax purposes. Any violation of Shutterstock's terms, such as copyright infringement, could lead to withheld payouts or even legal action. Also, be aware that the stock photo industry is evolving, and many contributors are leaving due to the increasing presence of AI-generated content. Some experts recommend backing up your content before closure, as it cannot be recovered. If you face any issues during the closure process, emailing support directly has a higher success rate than using the online forms. Keep in mind that payout delays are common, especially for disputed accounts, so be prepared for a potentially longer wait. It's also worth considering alternative platforms like Adobe Stock or Pond 5, where closure processes may be more automated before making your final decision.